Assalamu alaikum. Let me ask you one serious question. If Allah gives Ramzan again next year, will we definitely be alive to see it? Nobody knows. That is why Ramzan is not just a month of fasting. It is a once-a-year opportunity from Allah to restart our lives, clean our hearts, and rebuild our relationship with Him. Many people complete Ramzan with only hunger and thirst, but their habits do not change, their character does not improve, and their connection with Allah stays weak. But this Ramzan, make a decision, don't just fast, build yourself. Because if you make this Ramzan unforgettable, your entire year can change. One, start with Salah, the foundation of everything. Is the foundation of Islam and the clearest sign of a believer. RasoolAllah told us that the first thing we will be questioned about on the Day of Judgment is Salah. Perfect, never leave Salah, because Salah is not a burden. Salah is your connection with Allah. When your Salah becomes strong, your life becomes strong. To follow Sunnah is to break the fast early. RasoolAllah taught that people remain upon goodness as long as they hasten to break their fast. Break your fast on time, preferably with dates and water, and make dua at that moment because the dua at iftar is powerful. 3. Make Qur'an part of your daily routine. Ramzan is the month of Qur'an, but many people only recite without understanding. This Ramzan, don't make it only about finishing the Qur'an quickly. Make it about connecting your heart with the Qur'an. Even if you read one page daily, do it consistently. Listen to translation and understand what Allah is saying. Because Qur'an is not only for reward, Qur'an is guidance, healing and light. If you want your heart to change, you need Qur'an in your daily routine. For control your tongue and your anger, the real test of fasting. A very important part of fasting is controlling your tongue. RasoolAllah said that if a person does not leave false speech and bad actions, Allah does not need him to leave his food and drink. That means fasting is incomplete if we are still lying, backbiting, fighting, and hurting people. This Ramzan, control your tongue, avoid gossip, avoid unnecessary arguments, control your anger, learn to stay silent when you are about to say something wrong, because the purpose of fasting is not only to control hunger, it is to improve your character. 5. Leave one major sin and replace it with one good habit. Be honest with yourself. Everyone has a weakness. Some people waste hours on social media. Some people are addicted to music. Some people struggle with haram content. Some people smoke. Some people delay prayers. This Ramzan, don't try to change everything at once. Choose one major sin and decide to leave it for the sake of Allah. Ramzan is the best time because Shaitan is chained and your heart becomes softer. And along with leaving one sin, build one good habit. It can be Qur'an daily, zikr after Salah, giving charity, or praying Tahajjud. Small consistent actions are better than big actions done only once. 6. Improve your relationship with parents and people. Many people focus on worship but forget their character. RasoolAllah taught us that Jannah is connected to parents. So this Ramzan, speak softly to your mother and father. Help them, respect them, make their life easy. Sometimes your biggest ibadah is not long prayer, but making your parents happy. Also, forgive people. Let go of old grudges, not because they deserve it, but because your heart deserves peace. Ramzan is the month of cleaning the heart. 7. Increase zikr and durood, easy worship with big reward. One of the easiest ways to gain reward in Ramzan is zikr, charity and feeding others. RasoolAllah was the most generous person, and he was even more generous in Ramzan. So give charity, even if it is small. Even if it is feeding one fasting person, because feeding someone who is fasting gives you the same reward. Simple daily Ramzan planner. If you truly want to make Ramzan successful, follow this simple daily plan. Before suhoor, pray 2 or 4 rakats tahajjud and make dua suhoor, eat lightly and follow sunnah. Fajr, pray on time and read Qur'an for 5 to 10 minutes. After sunrise, if possible pray 2 rakats ishraq or duha daytime. Avoid sins, control phone, avoid backbiting, do zikr. Before iftar, spend 10 to 15 minutes making dua sincerely. Iftar, break fast with dates and water and pray Maghrib, night, pray Isha and Taraweeh. With focus, before sleeping, read Qur'an, pray witr, make tawbah and sleep with a clean heart. Ramzan is not about being perfect. Ramzan is about becoming better. It is about leaving one sin, building one good habit, and coming closer to Allah. Nobody knows if they will get another Ramzan, so don't let this month pass like a normal month. Make it your turning point. When Eid comes, don't only celebrate new clothes, celebrate a new heart, a new character, and a stronger connection with Allah. Comment below. Which one habit are you starting this Ramadan? Let's motivate each other. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic reminders and Ramadan motivation videos. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next motivational reminder. Ramzan Mubarak, may Allah accept our fasting, prayers, and duas. Ameen.